In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct distorted images in GIMP, the open source image manipulation software. If you've ever found that your photos don't quite look right, perhaps due to camera angles or lens distortion, GIMP has a straightforward solution for you. This tutorial is designed especially for beginners, so we'll take it step by step, ensuring you can follow along without any difficulties. First, you need to open GIMP on your computer. Once it's up and running, locate your distorted image file on your device. Click on File in the top left corner of GIMP, then select Open. Now, navigate to the folder where your distorted image is saved. Double-click the image file name to open it within GIMP. You should now see your image displayed in the main workspace ready for adjustments. With your image open, it's time to draw your attention to the Tools menu. It's located at the top of your screen. Click on Tools, and then hover over Transform Tools. Here, you'll see a few options, but the ones we're particularly interested in are Perspective and Shear. These are powerful tools that will help you correct distortion. Let's start by selecting Perspective. With this option, you can manually drag and adjust the corners of your image to correct any skewed or warped lines. This is perfect when your image seems tilted or when the lines you expect to be straight appear crooked. Click on the image and you'll notice a grid and points at the corners. By clicking and dragging these points, you can adjust the image perspective until your vertical and horizontal lines look straight to your eyes. If the perspective tool doesn't quite fix the problem, you might want to try the Shear tool from the same Transform Tools menu. This allows you to skew the image in a specific direction, which can be useful if your image appears slanted, or if adjusting only one axis will correct the distortion. Once you're satisfied with how straight the lines appear, the next step is to crop away any unwanted outer edges of the image that may have been caused by the transformation. To do this, click on Image at the top, and then select Crop to Content. This action will automatically trim the excess areas, leaving you with a tidy, clean image. Finally, with your image looking just right, you'll want to save your work. Go to File and select Export As. Choose a suitable file name and format, such as JPEG or PNG, then hit Export. You might be asked to confirm any format-specific options. Click OK to proceed. And there you have it. A perfectly adjusted image, free from distortion, ready for use or sharing. With just a few simple steps in GIMP, you can transform your photos and enhance their quality, making them as visually appealing as they deserve to be. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.